Honorable President of the program, our founder Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, the most respected, the guest of the honor, and the eminent personality of the architect profession, Dr. Prajar Kapoor, the chief guest of the today's program, Mr. Ajit Rao, our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Vijayan Emmanuel, Mrs. Jyoti Dhakne, Dr. Manke, other directors, and the eminent members of the MIT family, and my student friends. Today is a beginning, a new beginning. The process of a germination is started. And this is a wonderful day because architecture is the genesis of a creation. The course architecture, we are starting the school of architecture. Architecture is the genesis of all new creations. So I am really happy. Initially only our school of architecture, the professors, they have shown the video of the expanse or the creations, the different monuments created by the MIT group for different institutions. Last year I was in UK and I was in British Parliament, and when I reached the reception hall of the British Parliament, you know, the very old hall. And that hall was, the guide told me that hall was 1,000-year-old hall. And after seeing that hall, I really got, impressed, and I really got, shocked to see the magnanimity of the hall, the height of the hall, the width of the hall, the impression of the hall. And I thought the architects have really helped the historians or the kings and the queens of the history to rule the world. And in that sense, the British people, whenever we see our Indian Rashtrapati Bhavan or the Parliament, they have created this. In every part of the world, they have created such a monumental, palaces and buildings. That has really helped them to rule the world. The common citizen have really, really got afraid, might be afraid of those buildings, and they have helped the rulers to rule the country. So this is another feature of the architects. In this era, is that relevance there? I would say in a different way, it is there. Nowadays, we are saying the whole world is globalizing. The people, our government has announced the smart city concept. 100 cities are announced to be smart cities in the first list. There will be another list after 5 years, another 100 cities will be made smart cities. And all for these new missions or new programs, we need, the first requirement is of the good architect. The architects who can give the proper blend of the European architecture, Islamic architecture, Hindu architecture, or the choice of the global citizens will be the mixture of all these architecture styles. So the relevance of architects will be there, and it will remain. So MIT School of Architecture will really focus on creating wonderful architects who have the challenges to create the green buildings, which will consume less and less energy, which will consume very eco-friendly materials, and which will give the whole experience of a modern architecture. And in India, you may have to give the experience of the Indian architecture also, like our old ancient architecture. So this is a really, really challenging field, and I think MIT School of Architecture will really contribute to this upcoming challenges in front of our country. So MIT School of Architecture will really do the wonderful job. It will collaborate with the foreign universities to give the exposure of the foreign architecture. I still remember when I see the Qutub Minar of Delhi, it is mixture of the Islamic and Hindu architecture. When we see the Harmandir Sahib of the Amritsar. It is a mixture of the Hindu and Islamic architecture. So who knows what type of architecture will prevail in coming years. So the time will decide, the people will decide, but I'm sure in coming years, in coming decades, the global, the global perspective will come to the profession of architecture, and there MIT has to play a great role. So MIT School of Architecture is started with that view. Nowadays to get, sir, now Mr. Ajit Rawji is there, we also deal with, now the laws are so tedious. To get one permission from the government, we need so many people, the architects, we need the team of the good architects who are expert in legal fields, who are expert in the in civil laws, we can say the town planning concept. So the opportunities are abundant, I will say. Urbanization is going to grow. In last 15 years only, the Pune has grown double, and I'm sure in coming years, all the cities are going to become double of their size. So you can imagine what are the opportunities for the field of the architecture. So this is, with that vision, MIT School of Architecture is started, and in coming years, even though the school is started with a 40 intake, I am sure in coming 2-3 years, the school will grow to the size of 120 intake, which is maximum in our country, and it will be full-fledged school offering BRs courses, MRs courses, the twinning programs from the foreign universities and whatnot. So with these, I welcome all the new entrants to this MIT School of Architecture. You have shown the great, the faith in MIT brand, in MIT Art, Design and Technology University. Will certainly not disappoint you in your faith, and you can certainly bank upon us. You will come out as a very successful, very shining architects from MIT School of Architecture of this new university. With these words, thank you very much.